Uma Devi from CSC department, 8th sem B section. Now I am explaining about my presentation on embedded web technology under the guidance of Professor Vallarmati. Here my topic is embedded web technology. Here the introduction is, nowadays we are all depending upon internet. The internet is controlled day by day. In this sense, we are using some technologies regarding embedded web technology. Embedded web technology is nothing but the marriage of embedded system and World Wide Web. History. About history, embedded web technology was developed by the members of NASA Lewis Research Center and it was modified in 2002. And what is embedded web technology? Here the embedded web technology uses software or hardware that is hidden embedded large devices of systems, software or hardware. Here the softwares are some functional devices, program counter and then some protocols. The hardware is nothing but some devices and virtual machines, generators and all, and it is typically refers to fixed function device. Some functional devices are fixed here, and compared to the program counter, and which it is runs in general purpose applications. Here the existing system diagram. The existing system is nothing but the working system. Here the embedded web system will be works on one principle. That principle is nothing but traditional web request response system. First, here the working system will be the web pages are transmitted to the client from the server. The web enabled devices uses the HTTP protocol. Here the HTTP protocol will be takes the request from the web browser, and at last the result will be response. It is taken by the HTTP protocol from the server side. Here the client server model. Client is nothing but a logical entity. It takes the request, means initiates the request action to takes place. Here where actual action will be takes place. Server will be nothing but it is a logical entity complementary to the client. Here the working of web. First server will be boots up, and then it is ready to takes the part of the program, and then user on the client machine opens the web browser. At this point, both the browser and server will be running at a time. It both are runs, and that the client types the URL and the address bar. At the address bar, which is related to the location of the server, it initiates the server location and then writes the URL on the address bar. At last, advantages. Here the web browser does not store the applet preventing. It is nothing but it does not store the any data on the applet. And user interface software upgrades. Here the software will be upgrades depending upon the interface of the user, and then it provides the output to the remote areas. Disadvantages, many disadvantages are there. Here I mentioned only 4 disadvantages. First one is 2D design tools. It implements the 2D design tools. It is not a necessary, and here the multiple dies will increase the number of power rails, and input on thermal behavior. The behavior of the thermal will be decreases depending upon the input. Meeting tolerance requirements can be more difficult. Here the components will be more, the requirement will be less. Meeting tolerance requirements can be more difficult. And then the applications. Here only I mentioned 3 applications: traffic monitoring, video monitoring and power infrastructure monitoring. At last, conclusion. Here the conclusion will be web technology in embodied applications has distinct advantages, means more advantages are there for the custom communication mechanism. Due to it is more scalability and security, this technology will be more important to the network system. The amount of knowledge and skills needed to create web applications may be large. Here about the skilling and applications will be large. However, embedded technology is vastly becoming an important tool in our daily life. More important technology in the world nowadays, the web technology will be vastly becoming important. Means it is widely used technology in this in this nowadays. At last, references here, more references are there. Here the only 4 references I mentioned. Review of embedded web server technologies and its application in power system, and then application and realization of CGI in embedded web server. Another one is principles and applications of network monitoring system. Thank you.